Hello everyone, welcome back to TNV Academy. Every business talks about saving energy, but the real question is, how do you prove it? How do you compare today's performance with yesterday's? This is where energy baselines (ENBs) are explained in ISO 50006-2023 play a critical role. Think of an ENB as your energy scoreboard. Without it, you are only guessing. With it, you can measure, compare, and prove improvements with confidence. In this guide, we will explore step by step how to set energy baselines like a pro, so you can lead your organization toward better efficiency and compliance. Understanding ISO 50006-2023. ISO 50006-2023 is part of the ISO 50000 family of energy management standards. It provides detailed guidance on energy performance indicators, that is ENPIs, and energy baselines, that is ENBs. If ENPIs are like thermometers telling you the current temperature, ENBs are like the weather history that helps you compare trends over time. Together, they enable organizations to track, measure, and demonstrate energy performance improvements in a structured and globally recognized way. Now, what is an energy baseline? An energy baseline is a reference point against which energy performance can be measured. It can be a single number, such as the average annual energy used in 2022, or a more complex model adjusted for variables like production output or temperature. For example, if a steel plant consumed 1000 MWh per month in 2021, that becomes the baseline. If after improvements, consumption falls to 850 MWh in 2023, the company can confidently say it has improved by 15%. Types of energy baselines. ISO 50006 recognizes that not all organizations are alike, and therefore different baseline approaches are possible. Static baseline, a fixed reference point such as total energy use in a specific year. Best when conditions remain stable. Adjusted baseline takes into account variables like production levels or weather. For instance, cooling energy use may vary depending on outdoor temperatures. Dynamic baseline, continuously updated based on operational changes. For example, HVAC energy consumption adjusted every month. Choosing the right type is crucial, just like selecting the right camera lens. The wrong one will give you a blurry picture. Now let's discuss about the steps to set energy baselines, like a pro. Define scope and boundary. Decide whether you are measuring energy for the entire facility, a single process, or specific equipment. Collect relevant data. Gather historical data, ideally at least 12 months. This could include electricity, gas, fuel, compressed air, or steam. Identify relevant variables. Consider production output, operating hours, and environmental conditions such as outdoor temperature. Choose baseline type. Select whether static, adjusted, or dynamic fits your context. Calculate and validate. Use statistical tools like regression analysis or simple averages to ensure the baseline reflects reality. Document clearly. Record all methods, assumptions, data sources, and reasoning for future audits and transparency. Now we will discuss the real-world examples. Hospitals. Baselines may be calculated as energy per bed occupancy, allowing measurement of improvements after switching to LED lighting. Textile factories. Baseline defined as kWh per ton of fabric produced, ensuring improvements are tracked even with rising production. Office buildings. Baselines adjusted for outdoor temperature help identify real savings after HVAC upgrades. Now let's see the common mistakes to avoid. Organizations often fail with baselines due to avoidable errors such as using too little historical data, ignoring relevant variables, failing to update baselines after significant changes, or making the model unnecessarily complex. The golden rule is keep it simple but accurate. Now, benefits of strong energy baselines. When done correctly, energy baselines offer clear and measurable benefits. They ensure transparent performance tracking, provide evidence for ISO 50001 certification, strengthen the case for management investment in energy projects, and enhance sustainability reporting for stakeholders and regulators. Now, selling baselines like a pro. Energy baselines are the foundation of effective energy management. ISO 50006 2023 gives organizations the framework to set them correctly and use them strategically. By defining the scope, gathering solid data, accounting for variables, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can set baselines like a true professional. This not only supports compliance but also drives genuine energy savings and competitive advantage. So the next time someone asks, how do you know you really saved energy? You will have the perfect answer because we set our baselines like pros. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I will see you in the next episode of TMP Academy.